We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Roman Catholic Spanish priest. How do you go about pronouncing his name? In Spanish, his name is pronounced as Junipero. You do want to stress on the ni syllable here. Junipero, Serra. Junipero, Serra. In English, however, this is usually said as Junipero, Serra. Junipero, Serra from Spanish. Junipero, Serra. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.